Tubebuddy tutorial. How to use Tubebuddy to get more views on YouTube. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you have a YouTube channel, your main purpose of managing this YouTube channel is not only creating content, but allowing people to view your content. Now, of course, the more people that view your content, the better your channel will be, the more successful your channel will be. So there are many tools that are out there, one of them being Tubebuddy. Now, Tubebuddy is a fantastic piece of software. It allows you to go deeper into who, what, where, and why, and you can decipher that and learn more about getting more views on your channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, you will be familiar with YouTube Studio, and YouTube Studio actually offers quite a bit of help in terms of understanding who your audience is and how to reach them better. But Tubebuddy is definitely an upgrade on that. So Tubebuddy is not an application on its own. You can actually install it as an extension onto Chrome. So if you're going into your homepage, you can just tap on extensions and you will find it there after you've installed it. On their homepage, you will find the extension installation, and you can do it straight from that homepage. Once you have done that, you will get this right over here on the top right hand side, a drop down menu of everything that Tubebuddy offers. So there's your dashboard and your playlists, all your comments and all your analytics. Then you have your extension tools. Now there are tons of extension tools that you can actually use. I'm going to go through just a few of them. The first one I'm going to go through is the Keyword Explorer. Now that's under the extensions, and this is what the Keyword Explorer looks like. Now, on the top right-hand side, you will see there is a Learn tab and a question mark tab. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to learn more about what the Keyword Explorer actually is and how you can use it to get more views onto your YouTube channel. So on this tab, what they're showing you here is what's trending, and you can change the country that you're actually looking for. So depending on where exactly you want to target an audience, that's where you could change that region. Then as you're looking down here, you can actually see what is trending right now. So this is the first way you can actually create more views on your YouTube channel. So if you are creating content that has something to do with one of these trending topics, there is a very high chance that you will get more views naturally because it is a trending topic. Now, the second way you can find out what is trending and how well it is doing in terms of search results is the Keyword Explorer. Now, once you tap this Keyword Explorer, you will actually be able to enter any keyword. And the biggest mistake people make is entering an entire title into this keyword section and searching for a very specific title. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter just a 2 to 3 word key phrase, and we're going to actually just use that. So I'm going to just type in with AI, and that is something that comes up in a lot of searches where people are searching for AI tools. So how to do whatever it is that you need to do with AI, and it actually comes up quite often. So right here, you get a summary of the actual keyword or the key phrase. The overall score is a 58 out of 100. So basically, the red will indicate that it is not a good keyword or a key phrase to use, and the yellow would mean that it's a decent keyword to use, and then the green would mean that it's an excellent key phrase to use and you have a higher chance of having your video viewed. So this is the unweighted score. The unweighted score is just general analytics over YouTube, and you can find that it is broken up into a score analysis. So you have a search volume, so there are tons of people actually searching for it. Then you have the competition, and that is unweighted. That says it's a general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition, and that is just below good. And then you have the optimization strength. The optimization strength basically is, as it says here, the number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phase. So there you go. And it also says a number of videos in search results. So if you're searching with those keywords, you will find 333 million videos with that term in it. And then there is a monthly search result, and that is an estimate. It says insufficient data, but it says here that that number is the estimated average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube per month globally. This data is provided by, and there you go, it is an estimate, but it is also from a reliable source. Now down over here, you'll see that I haven't got a premium package, so you won't be able to see all of your statistics with regards to this keyword. However, if you do want to see it, you can just tap on weighted and you can purchase a pro license, and you can see all of these details in accordance with the data from your channel and your videos. Going and having a look on the right hand side here, you can see the interest over time, and that's either 30 days or 12 months. You can change that, and you can actually see the interest that the topic has had or the keywords have had over that period of time. And you can go ahead and see from different search platforms where and how these tags or these titles have actually rated. So we're going to go out here now. I'm going to show you something more. There are tons of tools, as I mentioned. You've got the SEO Studio as well, which is also a pro package. However, what it basically does is it allows you to be able to refine how optimized your content or your titles are, and it gives you a score, and it allows you to know how SEO optimized your content actually is. Then another very important thing is when you go into your actual video itself, I want to just open this tab here. There are two very important things that you want to actually do. So when you are creating the videos that you're uploading, you want to make sure that these videos are being viewed for a certain period of time. So I'm going to jump into this video over here, and you can actually add a card to your video, but it's important to know where to add the card, because if you are not adding the card in the correct place, then people are not actually getting to the point of the video where your card is being displayed, and they cannot even click on the card. So this is the card over here, and then you can add an end screen and you can import from your other videos. However, if you're adding these things in and the viewer is not actually getting to that point in the video, it is pointless. So it's a good idea. Tubebuddy actually allows you to see what point your viewer stops viewing your videos, and then you can just put in your cards from there. Another very nice feature is once you go into the actual video itself, right over here, you can actually choose your thumbnails. Now, thumbnails play a huge role in how people click on videos and how people actually react to your videos. So before they even get in there, they see your thumbnail. It's the first point of visual access. So in your thumbnail here, you can create a thumbnail, and then Tubebuddy in actual fact has a AI tool that compares your thumbnails and gives it a rating. And in terms of whichever one would rank better, they will give you a higher score, and then you can go ahead and you can actually choose whichever thumbnail will, according to the AI tool, which is still in development, will rank better to your viewer. And by using all of these tools, you can actually move your viewing duration up, and you can actually get more views through these tools. Another fantastic way is by making sure that your tags and your headings, your descriptions in your videos are optimized so that when people are searching for a video, your video comes up at least on the first page or within the first 5 or the first 10 suggested videos. So all of these words right over here, the title, the description, all of this makes a huge difference in terms of how much your video is relevant to when somebody is searching for a video. So you have 5,000 characters here, and you have in the title 100 characters. Make sure that you use them, not specifically for people to actually read through it, but when they're searching, the analytics that are used to put your video on that search result is very, very important. And the moment you can get onto that first page or within the first 5 or the first 10 videos on a search result, that is when you're going to get more views because you are visible. There you go, guys. There are a couple tools that you can use on Tubebuddy, and you can actually get more views if you harness the power of this awesome tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.